commercial lending rates. And I would actually say that here, the weighted average rate, and I'll just read it as it is, the weighted average commercial lending rate in December increased to 17.4% from 17.2% in November. I would add that it was 15.7 in August. We are talking about 2015. So these numbers are obviously troubling, at least to me, for many reasons. I think you all know why they will be troubling. And before jumping on them, I think what we need to do is to confirm that there are no errors here.